Hello Calculus World, and welcome to a short video on the chain rule for my calculus classes. This problem, it refers to number 16 on the section 2.4 2.5 review worksheet, and here we go. So to do this problem, we need to know, first of all, what is the chain rule. The chain rule says that if you have a composition of functions, which we have here, we can take the derivative of it by following this rule. Okay. This is the process of doing the chain rule. It's f prime of g of x. So you're actually going to plug g of x back into f prime times g prime of x. Alright, so we got a few things we need to talk about here. First part of the chain rule, and probably the most difficult part of the chain rule, is finding out what is f of x, what is g of x. I told you guys in class the easiest one to figure out is g of x because it's the inside function. Which function is everything happening to? And that function would be the inside of the parentheses, which is x squared minus 5. Okay, that's our g of x. That's simple. F of x, on the other hand, is a little bit tricky. F of x is what is happening to the inside function. What is going on? What's the outer function? And in this case, it's 12x to the negative fourth. I hope everybody sees that. Basically, I'm saying if I covered this up, I'm kind of, pretend covering this up. If I covered this up, it's 12 times something to the negative fourth. That's what I write. Now I need to take the derivative of each of these guys. Okay, find the derivative of each of these guys. You bring down the exponent, you negative 48x, and then subtract 1, negative fifth. Under that is just 2x, very simple. So we follow our chain rule, which we know is this. So we take f prime, which is negative 48, and then we're actually going to insert our g of x into where I see an x of my f prime. So I take x squared minus 5, and I plug it in where there was an x in this guy. So I get that, and then times 2x. Now, a couple things going on here. We cannot, because 2 of x, first of all, is our g prime. Okay, we cannot leave this. This is unacceptable. This is not simplified. First of all, you have something being multiplied on the outside, something being multiplied on the outside. You can combine these two things to get negative 96x times x squared minus 5 to the negative fifth. Okay, that was the first problem. Second problem is we have a negative exponent. That's a no-no. So we need to rewrite, and I'm using these little arrows to kind of help you follow. We can rewrite it as negative 96x is going to stay in our numerator, but then in the denominator we get x squared minus 5 to the fifth power. I don't require you to multiply that out. It's an unnecessary step that's just going to cause it to be unsimplified, because again, we're looking for the most simplified version. This is the most simplified version of the version of the answer. There's nothing else to do. If there happened to have been a constant down here or something, maybe you can reduce. Just look for those things. Be very mindful of those little things. But other than that, that's all you have to do. That's a chain rule. Alright, so just remember, you need to figure out what the outside function is, what the inside function is, take derivative of both, follow this rule, and plug in and plug away. Alright, that's the chain rule. Hopefully this helps. Good luck studying. Please make sure you try that worksheet out. Watch the other videos, study, email me if you have any questions, anything like that. I can make more videos. Just let me know. Good luck studying. Thanks for watching. The secret letter for this video is G. Okay? G. And if you're in my class, you know what that means. If not, who cares? And thank you very much for watching. And good luck with your calculus. Peace!